Hey everyone, Galaxy Acer here, and today we're playing on Minecraft. So, I'm not actually gonna play, I'm gonna show you my new skin. So I'm gonna show you my new skin in Minecraft in a server. So, hello guys, yeah. Is there anyone here? Nope, just me. So as you can see, I'm the only one who has this skin. I'm the only one who has this skin. With like a diamond guy with a little G on in the bottom, as you can see over there. And I'm the only one who has this skin. If you see a guy playing on a lifeboat who have this skin with the Galaxy Acer name, that's me. Alright, if you like this skin, comment down below, subscribe, and like. And if you comment anything you want to comment, like playing on survival games on lifeboat, anything, I will do it right now. Like, not right now, like if I see the comment, I will do it and upload it on YouTube. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you later.